Doing things differently. Is there anyone who has changed job in the last 3 months, 4 months, 5 months? You have? Great. How big was your CV? How many pages? 1 page. Okay. And why did you just do 1 page?
Just to be direct.
Be direct. Great. So when I came to New Zealand, that was the same thing, 2, 3 pages, that's enough for a CV. But I decided to do something different. I sent through a 22-page long CV. So I was getting very annoyed by the company that I was working for. And one morning, an email came through from SICK. I just used my phone. I was actually driving out to work. I took my phone, I attached my CV, and I sent it at around 8 a.m. By 12, I had been called by the agent to meet with them. 3 p.m., I arrived at their place. They'd already gone through my CV, 22 pages long. They said, we don't even need to waste time here. We want to send you straight to the company that is looking for you. So I went to the company. Within 15 minutes, the company had offered me. And I was very excited to get that sort of package. And I said to myself, I'm not the CEO. And on average, you look at New Zealand salary scales, this is a CEO value. And I'm saying, why am I getting that when I'm just a sales guy? So my message here is, write your own resume. Just write your own story. Let people make their own decisions. If they say, well, 22 pages is too long, put it on the side, that's fine. Funny enough that I was given such a salary package, I'm sure a lot of people will be saying, how can you turn it down? 4 months later, I decided to quit. And the reason why I quit that company was there was no innovation. There was no forward thinking from the business owners. It's been a 30-year-old company. Everybody's just looking at the bottom line, how many boxes they can move, and I couldn't see the future. And I'm very futuristic. I'm always looking at what's going to be happening in 5 years' time and in 10 years' time. That's how I think. That's why I always go back to look for the information that I require in order to provide the next cutting-edge solution. So I quit my job, and my rationale there was, okay, if this company can see so much value in me to offer me, what if I go on my own and actually do 450K by myself?